Breathe with me. What a day. What a day. Close your eyes, bringing in the white light fire for this full moon in Capricorn meditation. Grounding, centering and feeling all of the emotions wash over us. Calling in Neptune. Calling in the emotions of what could be, what are, and what we need to be responsible for. Calling in our inner child that is hiding in the back of our heart, the one that didn't want to do the things that we've done, the one that didn't want to see the things that we've seen. And bringing in Neptune. The waves of tears come through as the waves of the ocean flow through. The waves of the past have given us all the gifts of the waves to the present and the future, and being in gratitude even when we feel like crying. We are safe, we are guided, we are not the only people in this universe, and we are certainly not the only beings on this planet. And we are completely bound by our own choices and our own connection with our own guidance and our intuition. And now it's time to open our hearts to connect more with our guidance and intuition through the lens of Neptune right now in this moment, in the manifesting moon energy of the releasing energy. Big intro. Keeping your eyes closed, relaxing your body with me. Relaxing your shoulders, relaxing your back, slightly tipping your pelvis, standing up straight if you are in a standing meditation with me, or sitting up straight if you are in sitting position. No lying down. This is not a lying down meditation. I am feeling the warrior goddess of love and overlight by Neptune. Neptune is about dreams and perception. And bringing into a practical reality, a space of pure love is now washing through us, feeling all of those emotions that we had, the grief flowing from back to front, and then the love washing over the front of us. You may feel this energy. Just stand tall, stand straight, sit tall, sit straight. Relax your shoulders again, relax your jaw, relax your nose. Feeling bigger and taller in your energy than you might have over the last week. You were made to feel small last week. You were made to go on a roller coaster, a low vibe ride, so that you could get to where you are today, so you know what to release. You know how you want to feel. I just want to give you the biggest hug. We are being hugged by now, by our beings and guides. If you want to hold your own shoulders, just hold your own shoulders. I feel like my voice isn't my own. That's not a coincidence. It's a channeling voice, but it's also connecting with your own inner voice. What's your own inner voice feel like? Being guided to slow down. Being guided to talk more quietly. Quieter. Breathe with me. Hold yourself. Hold yourself true to the moments over the last few days. Feeling into the space and the base of Neptune and Neptune's energy. The power of being in the sea. I'm rubbing my face, feeling my beard like a goatee of Neptune, holding his trident, standing tall, feeling the flow of the waves around us. I keep coming back to the flow of the waves, feeling that flow of love. Is about you making choices right now that you are responsible for, to choose the life that you like. Be gentle. Be really, really gentle in this moment. So the inner child now is becoming present again, coming slightly forward, showing their face, knowing that perceptions change and it's okay. And I invite you to hold your heart and send all the love into that inner child. He, she, they. It's all okay. You love them. They have seen and done things. They have seen and done things that you may have regretted, you may feel indifferent about, you may not even remember. Sending all the love into that space. Holding yourself. There's something on the back of your neck, or many people's necks. What is there? So where the neck and the shoulders meet. What is that? Show me. So it's an opportunity to open up that space. It feels like the neck crown. I don't know what that is when you have something around your neck, like a mermaid or something very fancy from the Tudor times. You know, those white big neck things. That's what I've been shown. What is that? Tell me what it's for. Opening space in your energy field around your neck. It's an energetic beams of light coming out of your neck, opening up to higher frequency energy coming into the back of your neck for ascension purposes, which means for stepping into your light and being really confident and connected in new ways. The intensity of this moon, of this planetary alignment, is all about being reflective in this moment. And again, the opportunity to really go into that inner child, that responsibility that they hold. Okay, so imagine the rainbow neck line pouring through into your, it's a rainbow energy pouring down through into your neck from these like shards coming out and then going down into, so pure high frequency rainbow light coming through all areas of the back of your neck, going down your throat and into your heart where your inner child is, so that your inner child who's hiding there in your heart is feeling this tingling of rainbow energy just pouring all over them. Feeling that lightening, like the unicorn energy, the fun, the playfulness, taking big sighs of relief. As your inner child can finally rest and be in a playful place in the spaces where they've not been ever. It's another level of healing. Another level of awareness, and your inner child's eyes are brightening out to the light that can be for them, the potential. It's like, is it photonic lights everywhere when there's just rainbow colours glistening? Feel that sense of those rainbow colours coming into your auric field. The light codes coming in and breathing out anything that no longer serves you, and all of the stuff that you can release. Breathe it out in this moment. And imagine a huge, everyone that's doing this meditation at any time, we're all in a big circle, and in the middle of us is this huge vacuum space taking out debris out of your energy. It's just spinning gently. Within the middle it is inert, And you go in and breathe into the space, holding that stillness within you, and just breathe out all that you do not need, and then breathing in this photonic, beautiful rainbow glistening energy all over your body. And you can kind of shake it around a bit and shimmy your shoulders and get playful with it. So the energy is lightening up. Where we were heavy, we're coming back into the lightness now. A real lightness. Space to breathe. Space to be you. Shaking it off, opening your eyes, rolling your shoulders, really giving yourself a good stretch. Stretching your arms up in the air. Really, really stretching out your hips. And being 11:11, we just did 11:11 minutes, perfect. And being in that space of gratitude. Breathing out, 11:22. The number of our divine purpose blueprint. Our highest divine purpose blueprint. I love that number. Okay. There you have it. There you have your activation for now. Keep doing this activation for the next few days, or anytime you come across it, it is in your space to do. I'm sending you this with all the love in the world from my heart to yours. And in my ways you can catch up with me and what I'm doing at the moment, I have a special offer that I have 5 breakthrough sessions with for the next 48 hours. There's 2 left. They're normally £340 to spend 2 hours with me, and we do 3 different methods of healing, releasing and expanding into light, getting absolute clarity on anything that you want. There's 2 left. Have a look at my thread or wall for that offer. And very, very soon I've got something really exciting coming up, and I'm not going to share it just now. I'm going to leave you with a short burst of wonderfulness. Have a lovely evening.